Hey, so I've got a confession to make with this video, and the truth is, it started off as a joke. So around Christmas, I was playing around with some AI music, and we were just having a couple of drinks in the pub, and I thought it'd be funny to make a song. And I actually turned out to really like the song that we made. In fact, too much. And then I'd never experimented with AI music before, so it kind of took me down a path where I thought, for a joke, I'm just going to make a few songs by myself just to see what the tools are like, and then maybe at the end of it, I might make a tutorial to show people how to make a song. That joke then turned into just really loving it, and just being blown away by the quality and just what you can do in AI music that I didn't know was possible. So I started off making a joke country album, and that turned into me actually making a 10-song album, which I've then put on Spotify now and is being released. Because I heard that there was an AI-generated song in the country charts in America, and I just thought it'd be funny to make an album. I started off trying to use singers. I can't sing, AI singers. Then I ended up recording my voice, and then it did actually quite a good job of turning it into a singing voice. So my goal is to actually do a full tutorial, how to create the song, then how to make a music video for the song, and then how to distribute the song for free. Or, well, how you can get all the royalties and own the song, and then get it onto platforms like Spotify, so you can actually make an album yourself. That was the goal. What it's turned into is me actually just having fun and writing a few songs. I started off writing jokey songs, and then I don't know, I guess songwriting kind of just gets into you, and you write songs about your past, and then they turn into emotional songs, and they turn into other things. So that's why in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be releasing some of the songs that I've made, the videos along with them, and then I'll be doing some tutorials to show you how you can do it yourself. This journey's been a lot, just more fun than I expected it to be. I thought it was going to be a joke. I enjoyed up liking the music. I don't know whether you will. It might just be I made it, so it means more to me. But I'm going to show you my first video now that I've made, with the goal of teaching you how to do it yourself and how you can get your music distributed for free to the world. And if you're interested in that, stick around. So here's my first debut AI song about a long time ago when I was working in London, and I had a few choices to make. So I hope you enjoy.
Staring out my window, 30 stories up, I see the city skyline, everything lit up. In my corner office, Omega on my arm, I'm on top of the world now. I think I messed it up. It ain't the same without you here, being next to me, spending time with my best friend, my favorite company. I'm on top of the world now, don't envy me. I chose money and power, I lost my family. I did everything right, all the way to the top. Worked all my waking hours when you begged me to stop. I've got what I wanted, the American dream. Buy anything, no problem. Shame the best things are free. It ain't the same without you here, being next to me, spending time with my best friend, my favorite company. I'm on the top of the world now, don't envy me. I chose money and power, I've lost my family. Since you went back home, life's going great. God promotion, even finished work by 8. Life perfect on paper, wish you knew the truth. Fancy things mean nothing when I'm not home with you. It ain't the same without you here, being next to me, spending time with my best friend, our favorite company. I'm on top of the world now, don't envy me. I chose money and power, I lost our family. Walked into that office, sat down with my boss, told him I'm leaving, heading back up north. Looked at me like I'm crazy, knocking down what I've built. Is it worth building? Well, it cost me you. It ain't the same without you here, being next to me, spending time with my best friend, my favorite company. I'm on top of the world now, now you can envy me. Forget money and power, I choose my family. Step that off that train, knocking on your door. Just what am I doing? I could have had it all, except it wasn't worth it. All that glitters ain't gold behind that smile, eyes were cold. Start a new life with you here, being next to me, spending time with my best friend, my favorite company. I'm on top of the world now, now you can envy me. Forget money